All right, so just like that, it can turn on and you can be in the fish. You could be casting for 3 or 4 hours, not a bite, nothing, changing lures, and then bam-o, you're in them. I better calm down, but oh my goodness. Woo! So welcome back to Yak Ventures. It's been quite a while. The whole month of April, I was pretty much sick. So it sure is nice to get back on the water for like a full day of fishing in the kayak. Got my buddy Brian in the background, and we've got a friend that we met named Louie fishing in on my port side here. Today we're going to be trying to catch a striped bass, and there's also largemouth and smallmouth in here. The tide's coming in. It's low tide was about 9:30 and it's about 10 o'clock right now. High tide is at 3:14, and we're thinking we're going to intercept the school of striped bass somewhere around between noon and 3 o'clock. Hopefully catching them on some topwater action for you guys. But anyhow, I've never fished this body of water down in this area, and I'm super excited just to get on the water and give it a go. I started out throwing this crazy looking chatterbait deal, and I got a little itch. Anyhow, we're gonna switch to something a little more natural color, a little more of a shad pattern chatterbait, and just keep cranking, casting and cranking. Anyway, if you're joining us for the first time, I want to welcome you. Welcome to Yak Ventures. This is chatterbait water. There's all these submerged grass. All right, so I've got the side scan on the fish finder right now. I'm kind of looking to both sides of me, and it's nice, clean, sandy bottom, like nothing really to get snagged on. I'm looking for some little white dots, either to the right or left of me. See if that would tell me that we've got some school of striped bass or some fish. Anyhow, we're coming up to a rock point right here, and we will be throwing some gear that would target smallmouth bass also. But just kind of looking, just trying to be observant. First time on the water here. We're just trying to figure this out. Check out the boulder patches. We went from sandy bottom to really good boulders, so there ought to be some fish holding up in here. As this swim shad falls, the tail just wiggles going all the way down, so it's actually, you're going to get bit the majority of the time on the fall. This is some awesome structure, man. Water is clear. I didn't think it'd be this clear down here. Yeah, just gotta find some fish. Dude, if this thing goes off, I'm gonna probably just freak out jumping out the kayak. Oh, I got a fish! Yeah, I do that anyway. Oh, I can't wait to play with this side scan. We got this big old boulder right here. We're gonna see what it looks like on the side scan. We're trolling right now, just covering some water, just kind of looking around, kind of taking in the sights. This is awesome. This is exactly what I came for. Relaxation and hopefully a chance at some fish. Look at that bottom. Woo, that's fishy. Look at those chunky boulders down there. 17, 18 feet of water. That plug ought to be getting down there somewhere. So for me, part of the fun of fishing is trying to figure them out and going through a bunch of different tackle and trying different techniques and trying to figure out what's going to work the most consistent with the conditions that I'm given. So I was going to tie on a chatterbait just now, and then I looked at this lure that I grabbed, and I'm going to put this on. This is going to be a shallow diver. I'm trying to catch them in this shallow water, and the plugs that I've been using have been diving too deep and getting caught in grass. I think that I got a better chance of catching one moving up here in this shallow water here. Hey, are you getting bit down there?
I thought I had one little nibble, but I wasn't sure.
What about Louie?
No, I don't think he's got anything yet.
Okay, well I'm so far nothing.
Okay.
Anyway, we'll just
right behind you.
okay, we'll just okay. I thought maybe you found a school there somewhere.
Yeah. I just haven't found him yet.
Alrighty, well we'll keep on the hunt.
Yep.
Gonna catch me about a 6-pound largemouth right here. But I'll settle for a 4. Well, we made a command decision. We are going to get back to the truck and go fish a lake. Heck with these stripers. But we're gonna troll our way back. I've got a trolling plug on right now. Gonna get over on the other side and hug that side all the way back to the ramp. I caught a trout. Yep. Right where those guys were fishing off the bank, off that like dilapidated dock. I didn't know there was anybody there, and I kind of made a big deal about it, and then I kind of got embarrassed, so I quickly let it go. Oh, I got a fish, I got a fish! He's like, oh yeah, I got a trout.
Yeah, a couple bites.
Woo! I got a striper, dude! Yeah! Woo! Oh my goodness! Either that or I got a... Holy crap, dude! What is this? Might be a Springer! Woo! It's a striper! Yeah!